pain is actually a brain construct. So pain is something that your brain uses to protect you. The problem with that is that the more your brain thinks you need protecting, the more pain is going to generate. And of course, this is where now stress comes in. And again, patients can then see how that fulfills a vicious circle. And again, we know, those sort of maintenance patients that, we used to see every 3 months, they now come in and go, oh, I don't know what's happened in the past month. My back's been really bad again. Oh, you've been pretty stable for the past year. Yeah, it's really bad. And actually, that old shoulder injury is really playing up again. What have you done? Have you been in the garden? We're looking for a physiological change. You go, yeah, no, nothing really. Are you sitting more, driving? And one question that I never used to ask them was, where's your stress level at? And they go, oh, my husband just lost his job. And invariably, not invariably, so often, once we get those unexplained aggravations and you start asking stress level, they go, oh, no, that's horrific. My mother is really ill. And then they go, well, do you think that has an effect? I went, absolutely. Pain is a protective signal. Your brain is literally now on high alert because of the stress level. Your brain is now hyper aware, because that's a good thing if you're an antelope running away from a lion. But that means that little niggle that your brain before went, niggle, yeah, probably nothing to worry too bad about. Your brain now has the magnifying glass out. And it goes, oh my God, what was that? So again, how your general mental state and stress affects your pain perception is huge. And once patients understand that, actually talking about it and understanding it actually takes a lot of the mysticism away. Because at the end of the day, putting it really simply, what we're trying to tell the patient is, just because it hurts doesn't mean that you're broken or you're damaged. Your brain can literally make things up. It can make pain up depending on what you believe is going on in there. And this is where we very quickly use rehab for building that up again. Because if we can start to show patients, we can now get you moving better. We can now get your strength in there. Oh, I don't think I could do this exercise. Well, do it a bit, but it hurts. Do it up to 3 out of 10. Poke that bear. Because gradually they realized that actually what they could do at 3 out of 10 pain, now they can do twice as much as 3 out of 10 pain. And again, that actually they now start believing it, because you're not just telling them, they're actually feeling it themselves. And this is